Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. So in this simple video I'm going to show you how you can import your music, your audio from your library to CAPCUT PC. So first, open the CAPCUT PC apps and select media and select local. You can select media and you can find the import button. Just click on it and select your folder which contain your audio, your music. For example, okay, select from my music folder. Just click on your file and just click open. As you can see, the music file, the audio file has been added to your CapCut PC. So it's very simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.